When someone says that just draw is bad art advice, punch them in the face and say no. Okay, there's this common thing in the art community that's going on right now. It says that an advice called just to draw is bad art advice. And they're saying that it's bad art advice because it does not go into the details, such as you need to learn which things, in what order, in what structure, in order to get where you want. It's not giving all the information. It's too face level, man. It's too generic, and therefore it's bad art advice. And I'm here to say this is not only not bad art advice, it's a profound piece of advice that has great wisdom in it that most people fail to see. Here's why. This advice is often given by professionals and masters who have been doing this for a long period of time, and it's a sort of a simplification of their years of experience and wisdom in two simple words, which is just draw. How do I start drawing? Asks the beginner. The pro says, just draw. But it's too bad. I don't know what to draw. That is a point. The advice is actually making you put yourself in situations to learn the most important fundamental lesson of drawing, which is facing uncertainty. It's making you sit in front of your table to start work and make you ask questions. How do I draw stuff? What do I draw? I don't know how to draw this. It forces you to ask questions yourself and makes you go out and find the answer or find the resources or things that could provide you the answer. Here's why it's great. It's good to learn things on your own if you go out and seek the answers yourself rather than those answers being handed over to you in your freaking hand. You're not going to learn because you're not proactive. And every single time you sort of face this uncertainty and you go out and seek out to find an answer to solve your problem, you're going on an adventure, you're facing your fear, and you're practicing the most important thing that I consider to be is important for art is courage. It's like developing courage. Courage to do things despite fear, in face of uncertainty, and doing those things. And that's what this advice does. It's very simple yet profound. Just draw, and the rest you will figure it out. So when someone says that just draw is bad art advice, punch them in the face and say no. Okay, maybe don't do that. Just send them this video and say that, no, sir, I think you're wrong. Here's why.
That's it for this week's episode of 2 Minute Tuesdays. See you in the next one, eh?